welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing that I do every month. Of course, this box is one I pay for, and I'm not sponsored or anything, so we'll get that out in the open. And I did not choose anything for this box. I know sometimes if you get in on a certain time you can choose, but this month is just all a surprise. Now I'm not sure which box this is because I did sign up for the premium this time. So I don't know if this is the basic or the premium. It is, okay, there's several different versions. This is version C210514-BA, whatever that means. I know they have like 10 different versions. I'm going to assume this is the basic box, but it is, you do get more products this time than normal. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Of course, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. They have different levels. They have the basic and the premium. If you hear a sneeze, that's my cat. And my mom is up in the kitchen rattling, so can't help it, sorry. All right. I feel like I'm gonna knock something over with this box. Okay, the first thing I'm going to get out is this Hot Toddy from Dry Bar. I have used this before. I do like it. It is a heat protective mist, and it has a nice scent. Yes, my southern accent comes out. Anyway, it's a nice scent, so I'm glad I got this. I will enjoy it. And then I received the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And that is this here. And I'm getting ready to run out of my La Vie moisturizer that I like, so I'm glad I received this because I can try this out now. Because I was debating on whether I was going to reorder the La Vie or not. Okay, here is a set of brushes. Okay, I need to start telling you prices, don't I? Okay, the Detox, I keep wanting to say Detox spray. That's not what it is. Well, it's called Hot Toddy. I don't know why I want to call it Detox. But anyway, I think they have a spray called Detox, so that's why I want to say Detox. Okay. The Dry Bar Hot Toddy spray is $27. That seems a little high, but I don't know. Okay, these brushes are the Lavish Essential Eye Collection, $30. I think that's a little expensive for them, but anyway, I may put these away for somebody. I'm not sure. We'll see. I believe you can't have enough eye brushes, but anyway, we'll see. All right, the moisturizer. The Murad moisturizer is $74. So it's quite a bit. Okay, yeah, this is just the basic box. This is not the premium. Okay, this is a palette from Cab Cosmetics. I have had their eyeshadow palette before, and I'll be honest, it's nothing to write home about. It's not bad, but the price they say that it's worth, $52, I doubt it's worth that. I'm just being honest. We'll see what this one looks like. Now, some people got two palettes, but I didn't. Maybe that was those people that get PR. Okay, it's a pretty palette. I might try it out and let you know my thoughts, or I might pass it on. I'm not sure. It's a pretty palette though. I'm not going to swatch it just in case I decide to pass it on. This is not a bad box by any means, but it's definitely not the best box I've ever had. Okay, this is a lip gloss from Mellow Cosmetics. And it is supposedly worth $18, which is normal, I guess, for lip gloss. It's in that mid-range. Of course, I can't never get them open without tearing the daggone box. So it looks pretty. It looks like a nude. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it's got color to it, so that's what it looks like. It's pretty. So my first thoughts is that this box is just alright. It's just alright. It's not the worst box. It's not the greatest box. It's just alright. Just alright. It may be that I turn out that I love this moisturizer, so it may be then that it becomes a fabulous box. I was hoping for that. In some, I saw this other moisturizer, which I think it will be coming up. You can, on the pop-up shop, you'll be able to buy it. And I think I was wanting that one worse than the Murad. I don't know why. It looked interesting. May not be. So, I've got one more unboxing, and then I'll close this video. Ordered me a new purse, handbag. And I ordered it from a company called Red Dress. I've been seeing them on Instagram, so I've been looking at their bags, and they had some nice bags that were dupes of more expensive bags. They're definitely not replicas, but they are dupes for other bags. And I thought, well, I would try this one out and see how I like it. Now, it says, welcome to the Red Dress family. And of course, this is a measuring chart for their clothing. I didn't order any of their clothing. I'm so iffy about ordering clothes right now that I just don't fool with that. You get a card in here that says, run away to a park. And it's got a hashtag here. And it says, enjoy your new treats, Red Dress. So, of course, the bag is wrapped. Of course, you don't get it's not like a luxury bag by any means. So you're not getting a bag cover or other bag. But this is copying, I guess, the YSL bag. And this is what it looks like. And I believe it was $48, if I remember right. Everything will be linked below. I bought it. It's, you know, it wasn't sent to me or anything. And it feels good. Of course, you can tell it's not real leather, but it feels good. You've got two closures here. You've got a zipper here. Zipper works well. Of course, that's not, why is it even there if you can't put anything in there? Oh, well. And then the inside is red. And of course you can tell it's plastic. You know, it's not going to be anything great. But I like it for the money. It'll give me an idea if I would ever become wealthy. If I wanted to buy the real thing or not. So, anyway, I'll let you see the back. The back, it has a pocket here for your phone. Of course, the chain. And let's see if it has a name. Just says Apricot Kalisa. Of course, it's made in China. So, but it's a cute bag for the money. You know, I wouldn't pay any more for it. I'll put it that way. I'll be honest, I'm not sure that it's worth $48, but anyway, it's a cute bag. It's a cute bag. It gives you that look for less. And, you know, I don't know what I was expecting. The hardware is what I'm seeing that I'm not thrilled with, but Maybe I was expecting too much for this amount of money. I don't know. Anyway, it's not bad for the money. It's just, I think that $36 would have been a better price for it, as far as I'm concerned. But anyway, it's a nice bag. And of course, I'm going to keep it, you know. And I wouldn't mind having I believe they had black. I don't want a black one. Maybe a white one, but I'd probably get it dirty. So this is probably better. This will go with more. So anyway, that's it. This is from Red Dress again. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And please make sure to leave me a comment telling me your thoughts and what you think about this Boxycharm. Am I right in saying it's just okay? Not great, but okay. So I will talk to y'all later. And I'll see you back on Friday. Love you. Bye.